Hello, writers. So in our last lesson, we were trying to determine what might be a good opinion topic for our essay. So reminder, that is our goal for the end of this week, is that you do have a good topic that you think you can carry into next week and start writing around. So if you were able to get to a topic, I think this is a good one, great. If not, then you can continue working on that today and for the rest of the week. We're going to do another little activity to help you with that. So today's lesson is going to be a little different because it's kind of part reading, part writing. Because in order to understand what a good opinion essay looks like, it's kind of important to look at some opinion essays. We're going to start today by reading two articles. So these are two opinion articles about whether kids should be allowed to have chocolate milk at schools, right? Should cafeterias serve chocolate milk? So these are two essays on either side. This is in your writing lesson outline for the week, so you can click on those. And before you're reading, I want you to think, first of all, what's your opinion about this? If I said, hey, should chocolate milk be allowed in schools, right? Think about it as our pick a side activity. Where would you be? Would you be totally on the agree or disagree, or somewhere in the middle? I don't really have an opinion. Think about, kind of take note of that before you start reading. And then as you're reading, just kind of notice if your opinion changes, right? Or kind of maybe as a look at them as writers, what do you notice them doing as writers? Okay, so you're going to pause the video and find the articles, and I want you to read both articles, and then we'll meet back here. See you in a bit. Welcome back. So what did you think? Did the articles change your mind at all? Was there an article that made you think in a different way? Do you think one of them made a more compelling argument, right? So maybe even if you don't agree with the person, you can say, oh, you know what? I still don't agree with him, but he made some good points. So these are both examples of opinion essays. Our format will be a little different, but it gives you an idea of what you're going to be working on over the next few weeks. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to go back to your page you were working on yesterday, where you should have a topic at the top, and then all the evidence that you could think of on your own, right? All the things you already know about that topic. And now, after reading those two articles, think about what you might need in order to write a great opinion essay. What is some additional information, facts, maybe statistics you might need in order to write that essay, okay? So for example, the Bay Area is a great place to live. You know, one of the reasons the Bay Area is a great place to live is because of all its natural wonders, right? All these great places that you can go and be outside, things that we're all thinking about a lot right now. For example, one of my favorites is Muir Woods. Now, I've been to Muir Woods. It's one of my favorite places, but I'm thinking for this, I might need some more details. So I might need to do some research on Muir Woods. Like, for example, I know it has these beautiful old redwoods, but maybe look up some facts about the specifics of that, right? Why is that unique? Because I'm pretty sure it's one of the only old growth redwood forests in the world, but I want to make sure and look that up. So that's something I would write. Look up more info on Muir Woods. And that's all I would write, just that note, okay? Now, and that's what you're doing for today. Just making a list of things for further research, things that you want to find out or get more information on. If you have time today or this week, go ahead and you can start actually doing that research. That's where we'll pick up next week. If you kind of want to get ahead of the game, that'd be great. But if not, that is where we'll start next week with answering those questions. So once again, your right now is to look at your topic, look at the evidence you already have, and to fill in questions or notes about what information you still need, what information you need to research. And that's where we'll pick up next week. Happy writing.